Aloha guys, it's Christy. I'm back with another review of a tripod. I believe it's the same company. And it's Kami Safe Innovations for Life. So this is a different tripod than the one I had at the video prior to this. And if I do upload this video today, it's Sunday. I want to tell all you daddies and fathers, happy Father's Day. Okay, so when we open this up, this is from Amazon as well. It does come with adapter. Novia, come here. Wait, you looking at your treat again? Okay, so it does come with an adapter, and it's like that. Another remote. This is another Bluetooth one. Comes with the Bluetooth. And this one is sponsored as well, but I will give you my honest opinion. Okay. And it does look like this here. And it looks pretty sturdy right now that I can tell. I did purchase one from Best Buy a while ago, like years ago, and it wasn't very sturdy. You know, the top here was just like a ball and it came off easy, but this one seems to be more stable. You see that there? Because I really don't want to put something, you know what I mean. I don't want to have something that my phone or camera will fall off, but this seems really, really sturdy. I think I'm gonna be using this a lot as well. And it's bendable. So while you're shopping, you can even put it on top, shopping cart, so you don't have to hold it. But don't leave it by itself because people steal, and stuff like that. I don't like that. Okay, so let me just read this really quickly. Okay. Universal clip. It's adjusted from 2.2 inches to 3.5 inches to suit most cell phones. It's better to remove your phone case, but I believe we're going to use that other phone that I have because I am vlogging with my regular phone. Okay. And tripod adjustable rubber grip legs are perfect for outdoor in any position, non-slip. Feature ensures a stable hold and or uneven surfaces. The ball joint on each leg can be detachable to reassemble. What does that mean? I don't know what that means. I don't want to try it because I don't need to detach it. Ideal for taking individual group photos with wide angle views. Okay, so the Bluetooth, we're gonna just use my iPad again. Sorry. Switch. Novia, stop it. Switch on the remote and the blue light will flash. Okay, let's put my iPad on again first. Okay, my Bluetooth is on. Turn on the phone Bluetooth and search for AB shutter. Okay. Okay, and then there's a little switch right there. We're gonna go and turn that on. That baby is on. Camera. Okay, we got it. See, this is very good because it's so easy to, it's really easy to work it, yeah? So I like that. So it's already connected. It's still really responsive again. So we're just gonna go and take a picture of that there. See? And then what is the bottom? Oh, it's both. Okay, then we're gonna try and do the video. And it's going on. So it's really, you know, it's really easiest thing to ever use. Okay, and let's just try to shut that off. There you go. So there you go. The Bluetooth. So it's really, you know, it's really easiest thing to ever use. And I know that I can try and put my iPad on there, but it might be too heavy. Let's go and check that out. Hold on. Right in. And then I did get this on Amazon too a while back. So I'm gonna see if I can use. Okay. For this one, I have to take out this thing. So it is kind of a big thing to have if you're vlogging, but if you want to use your iPad, you can just stand that on the table. Make sure you don't drop it, because one time I was outside vlogging and it just fell on the table like that with no tripod, and it just cracked it right here just a little bit. But let's go and try and stand it up. It'll work for your iPad as well. Just do not fall it down, but it's working well right there. If you're indoors, I don't see why not. You can use it indoors, but I wouldn't recommend it outside, because if it's windy outside, you don't want it to break your iPad or whatever. But if it's a smaller device like a phone and stuff, it'll be able to use outside. I just don't want my iPad to get cracked again. But let's go and try and put a camera on there. Okay, as you can see, it does hold the camera very well as well. So I would recommend this product. It seems to be very sturdy, especially the legs. You wouldn't want something flimsy trying to hold up your camera and stuff. Definitely, I would recommend it. If you're looking for something like this, I love it. And I will have many uses of it. I'm gonna go and vlog today with that one, or the other one that I had for Father's Day. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys later in the next. You guys have a wonderful, blessed day, and just remember, happy Father's Day, guys. Okay, and that is how the phone is. Wonderful for the phone. It's just right. The weight as a phone, it's great because it's not too heavy, the phone. So I could use this outside on the tabletop or while I'm walking around as well. So this is a good one. Okay, just wanted to show you guys the phone hooked up to that.